Namhlanje sizokhuluma ngeqhawekazi uMadikizela Mandela. Nazi mesithi akekho ofana naye. Silisho ngobugcwele ngoba siyazi ukuthi she's the only one ohambe emhlabeni without selling us. Hey! Were involved in the struggle. Kepha kunzima ukuthi mesithi introspection. Mesikuweya lapha. Your heart against the feathers. Isikali sithi. Hey, angithi manje kuthiwa sonke we will be judged by history. Ukuthi contribution yethu ibe njani. It doesn't matter ukuthi boshasha kanjani usaphila. Kepha mose uhambile sifunda lencwadi yakho ukuthi lo muntu ubenzani ubekuphi ngomqondo. That's the first thing esiyibuzayo ukuthi manje ke mesithola ukuthi umamweni was there kahle if bayibizani the Mafikeng conference didn't happen, umama could have followed Utata in the president. They had to suppress Ndlovukazi because it was threatening them. Umhlaba. Yes. Ubethi mama umhlaba first. The rest will follow. Manje utholeke labo who are called the moderates within the ANC. That is an insult for you to be called a moderate. when umhlaba and the black people are still in this condition, and the mapuna abakhomba uyazi umamle. But lo. Amapuna babizelaphi baya kubo exile. Bafike bahlala phansi. And amapuna yasho lapha, they write about it. We had to meet with the moderates of the ANC. Manje ke Makhehla uMamWinnie. That's why namhlanje we are not only celebrating, but we are invoking a spirit. So that kube yiso esisipusha phambili. Kanti futhi usesihambele phambili. Uvelile ngephupho komnyugogo la. Ugogo uza la, uvuka ekseni uthi mkhulu nginephupho. Ngibone uMamWinnie kungathi uhamba ngeCasper. Unabafana kule moto baphethe ibhanga. But manje kunomfula. Ngale kuMamabhulu. Umama is inside the Casper le. Labafana bayadoubt bayasaba ukwela. uMamWinnie uthi hambani man. That's the message. Ukuthi we must never be cowards. Asingalitholi lelizwe. The land is not fair. So we must never cower. NjengoNomzamo till the end. Bama-accuse about all sorts of things. Ubulala uStombi. Yinto vele abayibambelela ngithi. And amabhunu engineered it. Our own people knew the truth. But they decided to go namabhunu. Because la emakhanda abo bese beyitshelile ukuthi lo is a party pooper.
Yes.
She's trying to spoil ikhekhe lelo kumele sibsike nabelungu. That is why they hated her to the end. Namanje basamlandela noma sethuneni. Ngicela nikhulume njalo ngami. Kungathi mase ngihambile ngithelwa amdlwembe loya. This is how we talk about amaqhawe namaqhawekazi. Abantu esaziyo ukuthi badele konke. uMamWinnie udele konke. Sele la iSoweto. Which other leaders are feel like us? Hey, bonke abekho. Bathi basi represented, but they live in cities. uMamWinnie stayed like that. What uMamWinnie nyoya letrope the day ngishonile, and that's exactly what happened. That's the day him transported to her last place, letrope. Khona manje there's a discussion about whether to rename that road after uMamWinnie. Yes, it's a good gesture there, but umhlaba. That's the only thing that will make uMamWinnie happy wherever she is. When we are victorious in terms of getting our land back. Not only land, umcebo. Remember, she was one of the people who were calling for Baibizani economic justice, reparations. Hey, she's the only one, no one challenger. I remember there was a lawyer from the US when they were trying to take these companies as a South Africa to court. But who stopped that process? Our own politicians, they felt to Guti. The minute you do that, you are then going to scare away investors. Abahambe man labani. Abahambe labantu, because all the time sitotwa. Yes, maybe stota. But my investors Guti, they will run away from South Africa. Let them go. So that you are able to kunini sicula le ngoma le umhlaba wethu. Kunini sicula le ngoma. Huh? I mean, it was 5-2. Ukuthi siyithole lento. There's a reconciliation. Let us reconcile. Reconciler, it means you are taking us 100 years back. Speed. They go and sign bilateral agreements with all countries in the world, locking us now. You dare touch a Canadian property in South Africa, we are all withdrawing our investment. Yabona ukuthi sibophiwe and yizo izinto ezenze ukuthi uMamWinnie bamzonde ngempela ukuthi she's touching on the raw nerve. Hey, uMamWinnie mina ngumbiza isikhukhukazi. Hey, isikhukhukazi ubelede uMamWinnie uye ubefukamele wonke ama-internal operations la eSouth Africa. They were headed by her. Wonke ama-units were operating inside the country. They reported to her. Ayedwa ahambe and rescue ama-MK soldiers emavelini amabhunu ngo-11 ebusuku. That sacrifice in the end, uphelele. Ngoba thina abantu abamnyama sigcine simthuka. She's a murderer. Umlungu uthe she's a murderer. That's why ngithi yazi on Friday I was in another Zoom meeting. Kukhulunywa ngobuthakathi ukuloywa. Manje perception vele when you talk about, you know, ubuthakathi. Already ucabanga ngomuntu omnyama. Ngithi kubomele niqede le attitude yenu. Ukuthi umuntu omnyama uye kuphela loyayo. Umlungu ukuloye ngekhubalo elingapheli manje. Hey, abathakathi abakhuluke la. Ikhubala abayisebenzise emntwini omnyama. Angazi linjani lekhubalo ke. Ngoba ubona amakhanda amhlophe emakhanda. Kepha agoba meyobona umlungu. Hey, usibuze ukuthi manje lo baba omdala kangaka angalokhothamela ingane la. Automatically because of the picture they always saw on the wall. Kajesu. Unomzamo. Uyasitshela ukuthi ngikhona. Hey. Siyakwamukela nomzamo. Hand of God. Injalo ke makhesa. Ngithi mina uMamWinnie engimaziyo. uMamWinnie ngahlangana naye mina ukuthi I met a period in my life ngilahlekelwe abazali. uMamWinnie wangenza enhlizweni ukuthi ngifile ukuthi as much as ngilahlekelwe umama ukhona umama that has replaced my mother in the physical. Yazi umuntu mawuthi umama ulisho ngokubhala lelo gama ngezenzo zakhe, nothing else. uMamWinnie bokungabulawa icomrade la ngo3 ekseni by 3:30 sekela umama to make sure ukuthi that family is taken care of. Umngcwabo, ukudla, yonke into ubengalali umama asebenzela thina. But in the end, what did we do? Simenzeni uMamWinnie ngoba sithe some of lemidlwembe meyimthuka sa believe nathi ukuthi she's a murderer. But u counter revolutionary. Yini revolution ngolokuthengisa lokho? There's no revolution la, because we are going further down. Ufuna ukungitshela ama projector wena umhlaba wethu uzobuya yilabantu abaphethe manje. Yingakho sivusa lo moya kaNomzamo. Mele sibadudule. sibaphahlele. Hey, ngabe during the time when we were still not wiser, besazi ukuthi no mele sithathe nama AK singeneke manje kuliwe futhi. Kepha manje we are wiser. Siyabaphahlela. Siyabaphahlela sifuna umoya ubenze bakhulule lo mhlaba wethu. And it will happen in our lifetime. Now mama signs are there. Ukuthi lo mbuso wabo is falling. Hey, umamwini la ikhona ujabulile ukuthi kunedlanzana labantu who are still conscious. Abazi kahle ukuthi it's not yet Uhuru Ntovukazi. Not yet Uhuru. Yes, it's not yet Uhuru. Manje uzocula ngama doves and daffodils yini bakuzana. Lokusitshela ngama flower ndoda. Hey, asifune ama flowers, asifune motivation. Ukuthi siya kanjani phambili. Struggle must still move on. Actually, we are now tackling the last mile of our struggle. That of spiritual liberation. Because once you liberate yourself spiritually, that's it. You will never be a slave. You can only return to that position now greedy. Obsessed with self-preservation. You will always return to that point. Ukuthi wena umlungu uyakuthenga 200,000 just selling your people is nothing. It's a serious thing lento yenzakalayo lakithi. And I'm hoping ukuthi in future sizoba nayo indlela. Look, sikuphi manje? Sisesigodlweni. Yesibona isibaya. Asikho isibaya. Lendlu yonke kumele ngambe isibaya sasekhaya. Hey, umuzi nawo yale. But namhlanje ngisavuka every day ngiya. Mengiye edrobheni lapha. Ubone ingamla zisikele mana ama plot man. Huh? Then bathi kuwe. Bakupacify bathi thula. We are making our boss uncomfortable. He's even threatening to withdraw my investments like South Africa. Let's talk about the economy. Remember, Guti, when they talk about my investments, they are talking about my investments that are mainly in the stock market. Meaning, Guti, namhlanje they are in, tomorrow they are out. There's no long-term investment. So why mele singenge such situation? Basuke basikhohlisa. Hayi abo Rupert Murdoch, abo bani lama billionaires, abo Gates will actually withdraw. Aba withdraw where? So that it's amongst ourselves as African people. The skill is ubani. Where is the skill? It's with black people. Abelungu bahlala nje lapha ema office. Manje wena who still believe ukuthi mangahamba umlungu la siyofa indlala. You are messed up like that. Messed up like that. That will be the real freedom. The day labantu bahamba la emhlabeni. Yinto le umamwini uhambe elwela. First thing, uhambe elwela le calendar. Uye owayilontsha le calendar about 20-something years ago. Aloka khuluma nalama politicians. Ukuthi how do you let our people follow the wrong calendar? Labantu i-reaction yabo was that umlungu uthe. Unyaka uqala ngoJanuary. Umama would say nature confirms September yiyo eqala unyaka. Until today we are still in that struggle. Ngathi sise China trying to change and convert the Chinese into an African calendar. That is the situation in school. And remember ukuthi Umama was the true manifestation of the energy Gasa. Asa. Nend of Gasa. I'll never catch. I'll never come. Abandu vele, abazalwe, ngalenya. They are continuously and perpetually challenged. Hey, Usat is always there. Mfuno posa na. Mfuno posa na. They want see bonengo mamuini. Whatever. Huh? See bonengo mamuini, but we couldn't understand then. Why is she so much challenged? Yonke into ayenzayo uyenzele kunzimeni. But they never azange bawine ukuthi basuse uthando lwethu kuye. Thina umamwini, it wasn't an intellectual support, it was an emotional support. Yes, because we felt her pain. We felt everything about her. Mina, I can testify ukuthi umama usebenzele le country. Mina, I would actually tell Abelu to a point ukuthi I didn't care whether I lose the deal or not. Because there was a time whereby they didn't want to do anything no mama. Why? Because they were supporting and behind that. Then I would say to them, you wouldn't even have ongelama opportunities on now if it wasn't for Umam. How hypocritical you are. Because utata now unipepile lanhlani. Wanenza ukuthi i-conscience yenu ibe clear without paying anything. That's why they loved that. Not because it was a genuine love. It was superficial. Utata is protecting their interest. But Unomzamo is making them uncomfortable. That is why they had to make sure ukuthi bayashugana. Labantu abashugana ukuthi basathandana kuyababohona. Utata bekethi mehlangana nomama smiles are always. Ismile singaka. Aze abize nomunye umama ngegama likamama. Uthando lolo bekenalo, but because of political situation, Lamandia namajuda were surrounding him. Bamlahlekisa. Hayi, this woman uyakungcolisa. Ungcolisa image yakho. That was a message to Tata. Unkosikazi wako is messing up our image. Therefore, Umlungu is uncomfortable. We are unable to sign the deal to sell black people and nothing else. Because what was the deal? Boku yin lo deal because ikodesa. Ibuye nani? Ayinamhlaba ayina economy. Boku khulunywa ngani ke lapha? Why did they have to force utata ukuthi divorce mama? What was the reason? Bona labantu who sneaked in. Bengizwa lapha clipped up. Some clause ukuthi the land belongs to all that lives in it. Nonsense clause. Ukhokho wami bambulala. Kunebhunu Vandermeer vohlele lapha ekhaya manje. Umhlaba uthi ubhilonga kuye because uhlala kuwo. What nonsense is that? So Umama was there about such issues. She was there about such issues. So izinto ke lezi mina ngithi umoya kaMama will forever propel us into the future. Umama ngeke azasidizete. Instead la ekhona wherever she is uyasipusha ukuthi yani phambili. Ibani ngamaqhawe namaqhawekazi. If you are not motivated by uNomzamo, you were actually angazi. Because Umama, it's either you love her or you hate her. Bongeke ube in between. So nawe ke besikubona ukuthi uyini kahle ukuthi uchoose. By your choice we knew what type of a person you are. In the yazi bokunale the craze katata. You know, everybody following utata. Yonke into tata. Umama sideline. But it in our state no mama till the end. We sacrificed our businesses. I had a business. The asset management that had 3 offices, Cape Town, Durban, Nala. But the minute they realized ukuthi ngapay umama a court, all my businesses were a target. Hey, I'm talking from experience. How horrible these people are. They would rather kill you than support you. Hey, especially Babuye exile. Babuye la nemikonde better. Because they never understood the terrain. Tina besi pegene na mapunu kanje. And we survived. Now they come nalo mkondo wabo. You know, obuya ngaphandle. Whereby kumele ubhayisikele emsabo. Oh, you are not part of it. That's nonsense. This is not what uNomzamo fought for. uNomzamo fought for wonke umuntu omnyama ukuthi abe right. Abang Midlwembe end up being billionaires. Besiyazi ukuthi uMdlwembe lena. The next thing, I'm a billionaires today. Tina, when we were, you know, sisebenza la nama units bebe kuphi uze uphethe DLB lapha baqoshe KD hamba ungasondela nokusondela la usabani ukuthi amaphuno will be here in the evening. Namhlanje those are the very same people who are in position of power. That is why our country is like this. Remember ukuthi in 94 we nearly didn't have a government. That is the truth. Umama knew each and every name that was a spy and their handlers. That's why they hated her. Not Zinzi. She then fell into that thing because she was bonga kuhlukanisa uZinzi nomama. Mawubona umama ubona uZinzi, ubona uZinzi ubona umama. That is why now she became a target of all these people who are counter-black revolutionaries. Bapushi agenda yengam. Sibabheki. Siyabaphashela, siyaniphathela vele. Hey. Mesiyenzalo. Sambela nina. Siyoniphashela. Kuthi ke nibuye la emqondweni ngoba nilahlekile too much. And remember ukuthi if yazi lento ingalunga kube ne unity amongst us. The liberation esikhuluma ngayo 5 years is more than enough. The transformation could be like this. Khona manje how many billions leave our townships every month? Yemlungu. Lama politicians, have you ever had any politician who encourage abantu ukuthi stop buying things from outside your community? Never! You will never hear them. Why? Because it's affecting the pocket. Yomlungu. And this is what we need. Usitshela ngama RDP, usitshela all sorts of things. We want to be able ukuthi mawuzala unginike hope. Ukuthi uyazi mina ngahlangana nje la eOrlando. Lo aqale impuphu, lo aqale fish oil, lo. That is what I need. Because unginikeza manje ithulusi lokuthi ngifishe. Unginikeza ukudla. Unginikeza indlela ukuthi ngiyiphilele. And this is what you know we need. So umamwi ilelo soldier that we miss, we will always miss forever. Now you see, izolo ngivuka nombono. I found it very strange and funny. It's like uZinzi wawe ukuthi ukhuluma ngomama. But uthi hayi nami ngasali. So much I remember me we will mention you definitely ngoba you can't separate uzinzi no mama. This is one thing. Abantu laba mina can say it with confidence. Abantu abahambe without selling us. Hey, sisaba respect na namhlanje ngoba sazi kanjani umamwini ucishe waluza indlu yakhe. La Orlando West, the main house. Why? Because no income stream that was sufficient enough for her to take care of herself. After all that sacrifice, uzinzi kubhalwa ngaye emaphepheni ukuthi she can't pay rent. When people are expecting ukuthi labantu are billionaires. Not. Unfortunately, the situation wasn't like that. Especially for uzinzi mina, I knew at some point ukuthi after 94, they were trying to recruit us. People who were in the stock market. Ukuthi utata nje when he sneezes, give us a call. Meaning ukuthi they want to use that as an advantage to trade shares in the stock market. She refused. We could have been billionaires now. We could have been billionaires really if Besinalelo Gazi of being easily bought. But we said no. Imali sizoyenza ngendlela right. And the messiyenza imali tina sizoyenza ukuthi sikhuphuka nabantu. Kungabi yithi that emerges. But the rest of the people around us and in our communities must be able to also make a better living. So, you know, it's a tough choice. It's a tough choice because that affected Abantwana. Abantwana were affected, you know, a lot. Uguti, Abantwana are not supposed, you know, they are not getting what they are supposed to get in a normal. And in a corner, Okokal, there was no way that you were going to be employed. That was clear right from the start. Let us try to do whatever possible. So that is why it was difficult. And then we could not compromise our principle. Abanye abotaki sebe right bathe Jojo the principle yakho ngisha bashasho njalo namhlanje hani zo the principle yenu anifuni ukuyosayana nje amadili banikeze nje ngespeed la. It was easy like that, you know. Once you agree we are bizwa contract, from that day we are locked. You can never oppose me. So, situation is you know, Abo Mamwini, they are encouraging us, and they are that symbol of never surrender. Yeah. It doesn't matter ukuthi kunzima kanjani, but never surrender. Impela lengoma le Magwala Church ngilenduze amakhaya nje, sorry. Magwala Church, Magwala Church, achechi le murawu, oya oya benze. Manje-ke ithi ngikhulume nangeqhaza lakhe ngithi 16. Yazi sifortunate namhlanje umama ukhona understands zonke lezi zinto lezi. Sisanenhlanhla ukuthi indlovukazi sekhona, and indlovukazi is one of those people nobaba who never sold us. Nangu omunye umuntu la. Umama nobaba they taught umhlaba wonke ba-conscientize abantu about South Africa. Kepha mebefika la bathola isimanga. Isimanga sesimanga. Ukuthi manje ishintshe nini lento. The struggle was no longer about the land. It was now about the right to vote. Imagine uhambe ungaphandle base exile. Nibhizi niyasebenza. Mobilizing the whole international community. Ukuthi they must deal with the evilness of apartheid. Figure like bathola. Smanga sesimanga. But well, I'm sure they knew was as exile ukuthi lento eyenzakalayo la it won't result in anything positive. Then uzibuzeke ukuthi oh mama no baba sacrifice engaka was for what? If all we wanted was the parliament ne vote, why ke besenza yonke lento yenzekile kufa abantu abangaka for iparliament nje ne vote makela. Manje ke 1976 happens. Actually about Majakatata were all abantu bebe under umama. Remember ukuthi umama ngafakazi. At some point, like South Africa, there was a political lull. All the leaders were outside. Leadership ingekho inside the country. Manje ke abantu ke babambelela kuphi? Black consciousness. Yes. That is when black consciousness mobilized abantu. Who emerged? Tsietsi Mashinini. How old was he? 19 years. Yes. 19 years old. I normally say ukuthi the real liberator of South Africa was Tsietsi Mashinini. Because after 1976, amabhunu aqala manje ama discussion nabotate emajele. Baqala manje ba-engage. Why? Because umbuso kaBotha no Force was down. Tsietsi Mashinini brought it down. Honestly, they never thought ukuthi such a pikinini nje. It's true, but manyana utsietsi. Huh? Hey, nathi sikhula nje hey singabosa nyova because of utsietsi. Bebe consulta umama labantu lapha eOrlando West all the time. In 1976 happened after a consultation no mama. Now, kufika ke isikhathi sokuthi we are in a new new dispensation. Ngoba it's in inverted commas. Manje ke abomama nabotsietsi they've been rubbed off that legacy. Other people are claiming. They're claiming easy victories. Ukuthi no, yibo who were active. Yibo who were mobilizing. Yibo who were motivating abantwana. Kanti no. Remember ukuthi njengoba there was a political lull, unity was brought by utsietsi and ahlanganisa all students. There was no political division there. It was just blackness. That is what utsietsi did. And they did successfully. And the mongabheka yingakho Indlovukazi uZinzi came to the conclusion ukuthi mkhulu, there's nothing we are going to achieve without unity yomuntu omnyama. Look at the milestones we have achieved. And the more bigger you look at the history of those milestones, it was unity at the core of black people. So unity yiyo esiyidingayo. Ungathi manje mawukhona ukuthi we articulate njengendlovukazi. So ufuna ukuform i-political party. On Tande United Front. Hey. Sifuna unity outside politics and outside religion. So that we are able to defeat this vicious enemy. How do you stay emhlabeni wabantu and sit on their economy? Ungabi ne conscience. They are just next door kuwe lapha Alexander, it's even more. Ulala njani ukuthi la hey bengilapha izolo. You know emini amakundwana ngakanani. Ingane zidlala la. Manje isituation enjalo just across the road. Posh houses. Posh houses. Manje isituation enjani la. It means ukuthi awunabuntu. Awunabo ubuntu. Hey, ngoba ubuntu says ulala njani in your house when your next door neighbor akana lutho. It means ukuthi abelungu bas push up to a point ukuthi sibabhome. And then we will be justified to babhoma. Because of less than abazenze kithi man. That was it. Hey, Umama always knew ukuthi there should always be that option. Yingakho during a negotiation, yena no Babu Kwala, very Kwala. Opposed the land of ukuthi abantu, we must go to the negotiating table, see weak. Yes. But you see, akanjani kula mapunu si weak. What happened? Abotar planja babashaya ngempama. Babashaya ngempama lapho Khotesa. Amapunu. Manje uyabona ukuthi silahle the armed struggle prematurely. Prematurely. What he was negotiate. Asazi ukuthi besinegotiate. Tina well, we didn't know. Shokuthi Themba Lethu was in our leaders. Sitawe the freedom. Ukuthi was over free. Manje there was no time to reflect. Ukuthi yini the freedom? Yini labakhuluma ngayo la? Sabeki Themba Lethu but umama, remember ukuthi umama bamzonda right from the start. Lapho. No Babu Kwala, same thing. No Christian. At some point when they were finalizing the deal, bamvalela somewhere. Bamtshela ukuthi hayi meeting ingo-11. Kanibona bahlangane 8:30. Basayini deal meke fika yena ngo-11. Ah no, right mchana. Yonke into seyi-right sebesayinile. Uyasho naye in one of the clips. Ukuthi ngavuma because I mean, you know, wathi into yangihlekisa wathi there comes a time where you have to hug the hyena. You know, that was Chris's thing. You know, mesekebona ukuthi akasena chance na himself. So it means ukuthi ama decisions that were supposed to be taken in 94 were then deferred. Kuti the coming generation bazosibona. Thina sesikhathele. Sifuna ukuyophumula man. And they baphumula nje. They all became billionaires. Just like that. All of them. bathi no lento izosala na sebeyoyilungisa abazali thina ke manje instead of ukuthi simastare the science that was left for us by our ancestors, si busy correcting the wrongs so baba wethu. Hey, khona manje ngabe si busy ukuthi okay fine, if there's only one element in this universe, what does it mean for scientific development yethu? But we don't have time for that. Kumele silungisane namaphutha abazali bethu. So siyambonga mamwini ukuthi usinikeze that encouragement ukuthi noma kunzima kunjani ungayeki, push forward.
Angoma segonzema
Maketa bengathi ke mina namhlanje celebration is not supposed to be a formal ingokho besuselo. It's just that ngithanda ukuncika. So asithetheleni umoya if ufuna ukukhafula sikhulume njengomama ukuthi how mom will touched us mina you know yingakho ngikhuluma ngale ndlela because I've had the opportunity of experiencing uthando lwakhe ube nothando amazing love kwathi ngene ephehlweni it was amazing. Umama would bring us ibhodo. They carry every week without fail. Ngaze ngaphume ephehlweni. Yikho ngathi to me, one replace umama I'm straight. And umama was happy with that. Hey. Because you'll find that uye vele uyangihlanganisa naye ukuthi nangu umuntu ozokunakekela whilst I'm not there. Hey, umamwini made iphehlo is much easier. Yazi mawazi ukuthi kunomuntu who cares about you. You know, deeply cares about you. Umuntu abe nesikhathi nje ukuthi apheke ibhodo every weekend. Asilethele lapha ephehlweni abantu bengithwasana baze babuza ukuthi umama uyeza nalo. So umama ubethanda abantwana ngenye indlela. Yazi it was the obsession yakhe. Yingakho ke lemidlwembe efana nabo Paul Verlaine. Yeah, who then claimed ukuthi umama abducted abantu. Amaqiniso vela manje. And nothing is done ngalo abo Paul Verlaine who were talking lies about umama. Even the mother kaStompi.
Yes.
The mother kaStompi knew ukuthi umama didn't kill umntwana wakhe because of amabhunu athe kuye planta lo mfazi. She went ahead wamplanta. For all these years, umama waziwa njengombulali. Ngento angayenzanga. At the end, iqiniso liyaphuma. Ukuthi all this was engineered by amabhunu. Did they come forward to apologize to umama? Never. Umama kaStompi uza ngefuneral. After sekehambile umama, simbona lapha egate. Ama politicians now say we are back. Yeah, no, we knew. Ukuthi vela amabhunu. Sekulethu mama kasekho. So mina ngazi uthando lwakhe for abantwana. She had so much love for abantwana. Umntwana meke mbona ukuthi uyahlupheka la estradeni. Umama would make sure ukuthi uyamobilize lo mntwana lo. It's either uyamletha lapha eParliament bokuyikhaya lawo wonke umuntu. Abantwana who find themselves in difficulties, they knew ukuthi I can always, you know, rely on umama. But manje that ubuntu quality yakho, it must then be used as a weapon against you. It's the evilness yalabelungu. Nathi ke bese siyalandela. Hey, because that's exactly what we did. So ngiyacela ke Makhehla okhona onenkondlo njengaKhehla bongitshela ngenkondlo yakho. But umama anything phefumula sizo abakhona ukuthi uyazi basibize ispirit abantu sehle vele simuze umama siyacela bakwenza khululekani so that you know si invoke the spirit. Remember sibuye njalo ngesikhathi sakabani umama. Now we are invoking that energy ukuthi leyo energy ayisebenzele for the rest of the year.
Yes.
So that ama programs ethu adlondlobale. Hey, umoya ngeke uvale. Hey, uzovala thina uthi usincintsha imali. Ngeke sephambili. Tina sasebenzi ngemali. Sebenza ngomoya. Ukuthi umoya uthini senzeni ngasiphi isikhathi. That's all thina sibhekile. Mawusitshela ukuthi uzosifrustrate ngemali wena. Uyasinqinqa imali so that i-movement ingaqhubeki. Hayi. Uhambe asidingi kahle imali yakho. Okhokho bethu bazosilethela amabhiliyoni esiwadingayo. So that sibe namabhiliyoni without selling our souls. That's the most important thing. So ngiyacela ke makhaya. Honor something to present. Or just ukubonga. Ukubonga ledlozi. Kuthiwa amadlozi athi, if you speak my name, you make me live. The day you don't speak my name, you are killing me twice. So ingakho ke lamadlozi afana no Bab Credo, o Imhotep, o Mamwini. Amadlozi angeke afe emhlabeni ngoba amadlozi esiwa invokayo all the time. So these are the people, esazi kahle ukuthi, yonke into, it's up to them. So siyacela ukuthi our hands of God, 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 hands of God. Queen Asante, hands of God, hands of God, hands of God, hands of God, hands of manje ke, ilapho ke makhe. Siyabonga ufile. Welcome Queen. So ifana ke nayo ke indlovukazi uya Asante wa. Besimbiza tina a long time because we knew that's a warrior spirit. Umuntu who never sold us out, who sacrificed his life yakhe. Young Mamwini sacrificed his life yakhe. Mamwini didn't die a natural death. Ubulewe because deprived of the things that she's supposed to have. Ngoba uyamdeprive izinto ngabe unazo natural. Now she has to worry about ukuthi kungena umntwana la, umntwana uthi akana school fees, and umama akana a stable source of income. It means umama kumele aphume manje ayophaphatha. This is what killed mama. Yes. That pain. Ukuthi I'm not able to physically, satisfy our needs abantwana bami, because besinga abantwana bakhe sonke. Injalo. So idlozi ke makhetha bengicela nje ukuthi sibukisise idlozi elifana nelakhe nolo Bab Credo, abo Queen Mantatisi, Abonzinga. Abonzinga, these are the people esibadingayo namhlanje. And the futhi ngeke ngakhuluma ngathi sometimes impi iyawahlula amadoda. Kuba nesikhathi where indlovukazi mele zime. Yizo ezihamba phambili. Yingakho thina la always sikhuluma ngokuthi indlovukazi mele zisiphahlele. They must take the lead. Ngoba impi yethu spiritual. And abantu who are strong spiritually, indlovukazi. That we can never miss for the second time. Yes, this is what killed our power before. Amen. When we thought women are just objects to be used. Singers, Uguti, they have the power to open the door of heaven. Yes. lead lesi. Thina sikhona nje ngokuguide ama process. Kepha makumele kukhulunywe nomkhubulwane. Anginamvume mina ukukhuluma nomkhubulwane. Yini? Remember unomkhubulwane umuntu wama magic. Kuthiwani uOset. UOset is the master magician.
Oh.
Hey. That is the power you man.
Yeah.
You are the masters of what is called hacker. Natural magic. So, Manjegetina, we are more wiser. We have woken up to that truth. Ingako, our way forward into the future will be much quicker. It won't be done by us. Abakuba ego. Indoda mina nyo. You know, kuzuza nje lapha. Kanti into ifuna ukuphathela. Ithi beyiwa. Ithi vu. Same time. Ungalokho ungejwa into perpetual war. Ubashaye ngesibhamu bakushaye, ubashaye bakushaye. Kanti mesipashela omama into yawa. Remember ukuthi uSet uzibonakalise wenzani. Hey, who would have expected that will happen? Whereby amaphoyisa bongathi abambekile. Iphoyisa no abantu basula lesi. Kazi babhekile. Kathi khona umoya obabambile. So, ipower yethu ke singabantu lapho market. Isemoyeni. Hey, isemoyeni and abantu ababadala kithi ngokamoya. Omama. Because bayazala. They gave birth to us. Even if emncane kuwe umama ngeminyaka uyakuzala. She's your mother. Hey. Inzala bani okumele sihloniphe ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuze izinto sithole ibalance, because that's all we need, the ma'at, order and balance. Uma'at angithi kuthiwa is a female energy. Hey, uma'at umthethokazi. Before anything is created, uma'at uye obeka umthetho. This is how things, this is the structure and the order of a creation. Who then communicates that? Indoda, uJehova. Athi hayi uma'at indlovukazi ithi. Akubenje. Balance. Hey, balance. Then creation happened. You know, ulendoza, uJehudi is the master yama vibration. The frequency. It's Puma uJehudi. Njengoba ningizwa ngikhuluma, that's Jehudi. Ukhipha ama frequency ayenza igazi lakho So we need to understand that. Ngiyacela please asiphathise.
Khuluma phela ungaqedi lapho.
No. Hayi no sengathi. Mina ngicela ukunikeza inzala abantu bakhulume ngenzala abantu.